What is up, you guys? I am back with an unboxing wig review by Victoria's Wigs. First off, I just want to thank Victoria Wigs for allowing me to sponsor this video. It is truly a pleasure to review such a wonderful item. It came with a lot, you guys, that I am truly satisfied with. It came with a beautiful unit, some instructions, and it definitely came with a lot of wig caps, comb, a tweezer, a brush for your edges. I mean, they really came prepared with this packaging, and I was like so impressed when I got this in the mail. Shipping did not take long at all. Like, I am really satisfied what all came in the package. Like, it literally came in with everything. So I really do thank you, Victoria Wigs. This is such an honor. I am really glad to review this wig. Okay, so this is how the wig turned out. I really do love this wig. I'm like feeling it, honestly. This wig right here, girl, period. Like, what lace? The wig was so easy to apply on. I did not use any type of glue or anything to like put this down. The only thing that I used was the adjustable straps that they have attached in the wig, which I love because you can adjust it to any type of size. It has like different hooks in the back of the wig where you can just like adjust it and it'll be like really snug to your head. I believe the cap size that I am wearing is a size medium. The wig, I believe, comes with 4 combs. I think there's also one in the middle, but I don't have that one in. I just have the combs like on the sides and in the back. This wig is not going nowhere. Like, this wig is like super snug on my head, and I did not use any glue, so that is a bonus. This is what the rest of the wig looks like. The lace is kind of like a, I'll say like a maybe not really a 4x4, but a little bit more than a 4x4. The lace literally stops from maybe like to here, so you get enough parting space. And it's a lot of parting space too. I believe it's probably maybe like 4 inches worth of parting space, which is really cool. Furthermore, it's like me bleaching the knots or anything. I did not have to bleach any knots in this wig. This actually came exactly as is. The only difference that I did when I received my wig in the mail, I just took a regular flat iron and just straightened it because it was a little wavy from the packaging as usual, and that's fine. I took a flat ironed it, bumped it, took a curling iron and just kind of like pressed the top that where it can have like that nice flat sleek look. This bob is 10 inches. They actually have on their website go for 10 or 12. I chose 10 because I've honestly had a bob that was like 12 inches before, and I kind of just want something new and different. I had dreads in for a while, my locks, which I completely miss. But after I took my locks out, I was just like, okay, I kind of want something that is not going to be too hot, not going to be all over my neck, because I done got used to having hair not being on my neck so much. Um, I wanted something that was going to blend in with the season for fall. And this brown and blonde, I am totally feeling. I am loving this. Furthermore, as shipping, it did not take no time for the wig to come through. I believe I got this wig within like a week and a half in advance, so that was pretty fast for me. Love the packaging of the wig, so I'm actually going to show you the packaging again. I know I probably like played in the beginning of this video of what it looked like in the package and stuff, but they really took their time with the packaging. Plus, they put everything that you will need in here, which I am so excited about. So of course this was the box that it came in. Really nice box. Victoria's Wigs. Love the inside, how it's just like hot pink and basically saying because you matter. Thank you, Victoria Wigs. That is very nice of you. I definitely love their silk bag. This is what the wig actually came in. Had like the stuffing in the wig and including the hairnet, so that's also in here as well. They had this like really packaged up really nice. Comes with like the instructions on like how to take care of it, the hair routine, basically wig storing 101, you know, things that you will need to know to help keep up with the wig. So thank you for that. And it also came with like Wig Caps. I was so happy because I thought I was going to have to run to the store and get me some more because, child, my last one was holding on to dear life and it got holes all up in it. So I thought I was going to have to, you know, run to the store and get Wig Caps. It came with 2 packs of Wig Caps and it comes with like 2 Wig Caps in each pack. So that is a bonus. It came with like this little cute little makeup brush. Whenever you want to like put concealer into your part and stuff. Thank you for that, Victoria Wigs. This one came with the tweezers, just in case if you want to do a little tweezing, a little plucking. Came with a rat tooth comb. This is so nice. And it came with an edge brush, and it comes with like the comb at the end too, so you can work on your baby hairs and stuff. I decided I wanted to do just like a regular plain hairline with this. I didn't want to cut out any baby hairs just because I think the wig looks good as is, but I may in due time put baby hairs in this, but furthermore, for right now, probably not. And of course the wig caps. So thank you so much for the packaging. Like, packaging means a lot. So the fact that they literally took their time and put all of the tools in the box with your wig so you can like work on that is like totally awesome. Definitely love the fact that the lace is not too transparent. Like, the lace was very easy for me to blend into my skin. The only thing I did was just like put a little concealer and powder into my part, but before then, and I'll even have like, you know, a footage of like how that went down. But even before I even put like the concealer into my parting space, it still matched my complexion really well. This is the lace right here, and this is it compared to my hand. And I think it just blends in. It just blends in pretty good. Really good. Furthermore, it's shedding. Hardly got any shedding. Probably maybe like, I don't know, 5-6 strands, you know, but that's normal. A wig is going to shed as long as it's not like Yeti or like dog hair shedding. I am cool. Overall, I would have to give this wig like literally a 10. There's nothing wrong with it. Like, it's soft. Of a wig that's really snug because I need to know that my hair is going to be on. And this one right here, I know it's not gonna come off. It is like super snug, like without even gluing it down. So Victoria Wigs, y'all really did y'all thing with this wig. Thank you. I really do appreciate you guys letting me sponsor this video because this wig is just like, girl, you cannot tell me shit with this wig. But overall, it's, you know, it's something different. It's something, you know, that's out the box. And, you know, y'all know me, like, I literally try like every hairstyle that there is. So I'm just like, what's another hairstyle that I can have? And I think this one's really nice, really pretty for fall. Y'all let me know what y'all guys think in the comment section. Like, I want to know you guys' opinions. Like, this, I love this wig. Give this like from 1 through 10 what you think in the comment section. Overall, I'm gonna give this wig a 10. Like literally 10 on 10. Like, they did everything right with this unit, from shipping it, from just styling it, making it, cutting it. The cut is nice. It's not uneven. It's perfect. Texture, soft, has like this nice luster, this nice sheen. I'm just feeling this blonde. It's just, you know, it's just different. You know, I'm all for like the highlights, a little bit of color. I'm all for that. Y'all let me know what y'all guys think in the comment section. Also, I will make sure to have the wig in the description bar down below, including my promo code. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate you guys just staying tuned, watching this video. Thank you so much, Victoria Wigs, for letting me sponsor this video. Thank you so much again. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and until next time, I will see you dolls later. Love and light. Bye. So first up, we have this beautiful lime green type of swimsuit with the